What's up everybody, my name is Jair, aka the Sinister Camaro, and welcome to another video on the Sinister Camaro YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today I've got a very special video. I know it's not really automotive related today, but it's definitely something that helps us guys out there, and I know a lot of guys watch this channel, so I thought it would really help a lot of you out there because this has actually made me feel a lot more confident. Manscaped, thank you guys so much for everything you've done for us on this channel. I very much appreciate it. So the reason why we're here, why we're coming to you with this video, of course, if you can't tell by the title, is because we've got a brand new trimmer, brand spanking new. Now you've heard of Manscaped, you've heard of their world famous Lawn Mower 1.0, 2.0, and even the 3.0. But today they've got an exciting release. Number 4 has just come out. That's right, the Lawn Mower 4.0, and we are the first ones to try it out for you guys. So today what I'm gonna do is not only unbox and show you guys the 3.0 so we can get a glimpse of what's changed, but we're actually gonna show you the brand new 4.0. Cue epic music there. Anyway, so 4.0 is out. You can get it today in the US and Canada, and of course international is going to be a little bit later. Check the Manscaped website for the time that they're going to be launching that. Hope you guys can get your hands on this because this is a wonderful, great, awesome product. All right guys, so let's start off this comparison video with a good old 3.0. Now this is a unopened box right here. This is a brand new trimmer that I got just for this video for you guys. Going ahead and gonna open it up for you. But when you get it, it tells you how to use it. It's got a nice little personalized message. If you need it, you got cool instructions. You got your handy dandy wireless charging base. You've got your wall plug. You've got your cables that you need, and you got a nice little brush to get out all that hair in between shaves. And not only do you get a nice little handy dandy bag to carry it in, you get the product itself. Now, as you can see here, this is the 3.0 again. You've got one blade, one clip. Very versatile, I love it. You've got the skin safe technology and the quiet control. Man, that thing sounds powerful. Right here, you get the little LED that actually like blinks when it's charging. It's fully illuminated when it's fully charged. And then of course, when you want to change out the blade, when you use it so much and it's not doing its job, pop it right out. You get blades that you can pop right back in there for you. Reinstalling, just put the back end in, boom, you're done, and then slide this on top, and there you go. I've actually been using another one, not this one of course, it's brand new, but I actually have another one I've been using ever since the 3.0 came out. These razors are actually great for not up here because you don't want to use the same razor that you use for wherever this is going, but down there where your man jewels are, your chest, your arms, your legs, whatever it may be. This is what this is for. Don't use the same razor that you use down there on your face. I say it all the time in my videos and I mean it because that's just nasty. So I highly recommend the 3.0. I've been using it for a long time and it's never let me down. You use this in the shower. Of course, you've got the LED up here. So if you want to do it in the dark, you can do that. It actually does work. It helps. I didn't believe it, but it actually does help. That's the 3.0. That's everything you get with it. So let's go ahead and unbox the 4.0 and see what cool stuff that has waiting for us. So instead of using very fancy like cinematics and everything, we're just gonna plop this open just like a normal person would. So, whoa. Throw that to the side. It's like a book. It's a whole new balls game. Oh, I love their sayings. Look at this thing though. Check it out. Just look at the different like textures and look up. You got the gloss black on top and you got the matte black on bottom. Very refined and sophisticated on the bottom. You got your big LED light still there, your big power button right there. And it looks like you've got, yep, you can change these out. So keep that in mind if you are getting one of these. For any reason that you think that it doesn't cut well enough, you can actually buy just the blades or have them delivered to your house regularly throughout the month. So a very unique design, just a side by side. It's more of a round and rubbery feel to the old 3.0, but the 4.0 has a nice refined, luxurious look and feel to it. It fits in my hand no matter which way I use it. Like if I use a 3.0 or 4.0, they both feel great in my hands. So here's one of the brand new features in this device. This has a built-in travel mode in it. What that means is when you hit the button once, as you can see, the lights flash like, hey, we're waiting on something, but it doesn't actually turn on like the other one. Hit it 2 times, same thing happens. But when you hit it 3 times, as you can see, nothing happened. But hit the button one time. It's like a safety feature, a safety mechanism. So when you're traveling and have this in your suitcase and your luggage, TSA won't pull it out and think you've got something you're not supposed to. So that's pretty cool. You can turn it on and off just like the old style, on and off, but you click it 3 times rapidly. 1, 2, 3, lights up, nothing happens. I hit it once, nothing happens. Hit it twice, nothing happens. But 3 times, and then it's unlocked. Now I can do it. So it's a very cool, safe feature for anybody that travels a lot. So you've still got your LED at the top, still got the quiet technology that's built into it. Of course, they've modified this guy to actually be even better performing because you actually have ceramic blades in this one. Okay, they cut easier and they are definitely protect your downstairs area a whole lot better than the old one. All right, so after that, we've got that to remove. It says, let's get mowing quick start guide. All of your questions should be answered in this with a customer service line on the back. Then you've got the user guide. Again, you've got everything that teaches you about how to clean it, how to maintain it. It is waterproof, just like the last one, so you can use it in the shower if you would like. You can dunk it under the water, doesn't matter, it's still gonna work. It looks like this has actually been updated as well. This right here is gonna be your brand new charging base. Like, plug it in, the little port into the wall right there. Very cool, very stylish look to it, very sophisticated. And this is gonna be new. So instead of just the one blade that you got with the old one, you still get that guard. So you can use it just plain Jane like it is. You can put the guard on it like you had before, but it also comes with this as well. It's got a brand new guard to it that actually helps you with the longer hairs. If you wanna keep it long, you don't have to have it short, maintain it. I mean, this is the perfect guard for it. So, very cool that they actually included that because I was actually discouraged anytime I would get a razor. I only have one option. Now they give you multiple, so I love that about it. And then we got a nice little package in here that comes with it. You've got a nice little charger cube. You've got your brush to clean it out when you use it. And this time you've actually got a braided cable. Now to us technology nerds, braided is the way to go. It doesn't get bunched up as easy. It's really easy to untangle. And best of all, it lasts a lot longer, so you don't have to worry about like the rubber breaking on it after a long time of use, bending it all the time and it busting open. Braided is a whole awesome way to go, so I love the fact that they upgraded that on this. And that's gonna be all. So guys, like I said, this is the 3.0 right here. You get the guard, everything that you have on the other one. Just a comparison of what these guys look like. Come on, focus. So this is the 4.0, 3.0. There's the blades for you. Pretty cool. Let me unlock that one. 3.0, 4.0. 3.0, 4.0. 3.0, 4.0. Still quiet, still got the LEDs, still works great underwater. So one of the cool features that I like about the charging system on it, as you can tell, instead of the one, you have one big light when you have it fully charged, which that's what this looks like too. But as you can see right here when we unlock it, you got 3 layers of lights here. And that's gonna show you your battery level. And that's super cool because instead of saying on and off, you've got 3 layers of how full your battery is, so you'll know just how long it's got left before it runs out of juice. And it lasts up to 90 minutes on a full charge. Now, I don't know how thick your forest is out there, but 90 minutes ought to do it for just about anybody out there. But 90 minutes on a full charge is pretty great. It's wireless, you don't have to worry about charging it all the time. But most of the time you can just plop it in the charger, pick it back up, and you're set and ready to go. So very cool recharge times on this guy as well. So guys, let me know in the comments below what you think about this guy, the Lawn Mower 4.0 that just came out. Are you guys getting one? Because if you are, just for watching this video, you get a very special promotional code just for me. So make sure that when you go to manscaped.com, you get 20% off plus free international shipping. That's right, you can get shipped to you for free with 20% off with my promo code Camaro at manscaped.com. So make sure to enter that in so you save a lot of money and you get one of the best male grooming tools out there on the market today. So we've already seen that this guy really can cut where you need to, but it also has a protection to protect your downstairs area. So go ahead and go pick up one today. And thank you guys at Manscaped for everything that you've done for us. You really are an amazing company to work with, and we do appreciate all the love and support that you've given us. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us, and I hope you guys do an amazing job this year and next year and going forward. So guys, let me know in the comments below, would you be the one to get the Lawn Mower 4.0 and try it out? Because if you will, don't forget to use my promo code. Don't forget to like this video if it did help you in any way, shape, or form. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with the awesome automotive stuff that we do on our channel. So thank you guys for joining me. I do appreciate you tuning in today. Don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.